put some money in an annuity, you literally, your money pays you, right? So these are the kind of things that, when I teach financial literacy, it's not just about like, oh, pay your bills on time. No, it's about how do you get where your money's paying you? How do you get the wealth advantages that someone else may have? So besides owning homes, right? Because I'm going to always be a big advocate for homes, but some people get nervous about it. Sure. So I'm always saying, look, you can own a business, you can own annuities, you can own stocks. You know, there's other things that you can do with the excess money to bring in more money and more opportunity to you. Maybe you're investing in a certification or an MBA, and you don't want any student loans, right? That could be another avenue.